Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got the Galaxy DX-66V3. We're going to do a tune-up report for Roger in Maryland. Okay Roger, we get the power turned all the way down. Check out up here. We got 10 watts on the top scale. All the way down is 1. If I turn the variable power all the way up, you get 10 watts there. Peak power, 50 watt slug. Right, this middle scale here, there's 50. Audio. Let me turn my mic gain back up, had it off. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio. There you have it. Let's see. That's it. Let's put it on the air real quick. This is some skip out there.